How to make oil-free eggless mayonnaise in just 1 minute. Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make all natural, healthy, oil-free, eggless and vegan mayonnaise in just 1 minute. Store-bought mayonnaise is expensive and may contain unhealthy fats, refined oil, refined sugar, eggs, and even preservatives and additives. This homemade mayonnaise is inexpensive. It does not have a single drop of oil or eggs or even milk. So healthy, tasty, and perfect to include in your weight loss meals, salads, or as a sandwich spread without any guilt. This mayonnaise can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days. No extra oil, sugar, milk, yet thick and creamy and 100% natural for the health conscious. So let's get started with this new recipe which I created for you so that you can enjoy the taste of mayonnaise in your meals without any guilt or compromising on your health. To make oil-free and eggless mayonnaise, I am using the small chutney grinder. Into that, I am adding in 25 cashew nuts. Note that the cashew nuts are not roasted. Now add in some water. I mean just enough water to soak the cashew nuts and let it soak for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's about 10 minutes now and let's strain off the water. Into the chutney grinder, add in 3 cloves of garlic. Now if you don't like the flavor of garlic or if you don't like too much garlic flavor, you can use only 1 garlic clove. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/3 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and adding black pepper powder is optional. I like the mild flavor of pepper, so I'm adding in. If you don't prefer, you can totally omit it. Add in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. Now if you prefer, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard or even mustard powder. I personally don't prefer the taste, hence I'm omitting it. Now pulse this in the mixie for about 10 to 15 seconds, and when you open the lid you can see it is coarsely ground. Now add in 1/4 cup water. Now another thing is, if you want to thicken the mayonnaise, you can reduce 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now scrape down the sides and grind for another 30 seconds on high speed. And once ground, you get the thick and creamy, oil-free and eggless mayonnaise. So easy to make at home. Transfer the mayonnaise into a serving bowl. See how thick and creamy this mayonnaise is, and you can enjoy it without any guilt. Since cashew nuts has slight sweetness, I did not use any sweetener. The salt, lemon juice and vinegar helps to balance all the flavors. This mayonnaise can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days. And the best thing is you can make a large batch or a small batch like I did today. Make sure you store the mayonnaise in an airtight glass container in the fridge if you're not using it immediately or have any leftovers. So guys, do try this healthy, oil-free and eggless mayonnaise and let me know how this turned out. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.